At last. Time to test my greatest experiment. Ooh. What are you up to, Damien? Behold. My laboratory. Finally, the molecular rearranger is ready. Ooh, can I push the button? Absolutely not. DT presses a big red button. Smoke and sparks fill the lab. Half monkey? Hee hee. Monkey Damien. Ha! Now you are the monkey. Ooh. Ah. Get out of my laboratory.